Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Halimatus Sofia. I will present about review of international journal. The title of Educational Data Mining and Students Performance Prediction. Type of journal is International Journal. Volume and page, volume 7, number 5, year 2016. The writer is Amjad Abusa. Reviewer is Halimatus Sofia and the date is March 21, 10-29, 2020. Okay, I will read the abstract. It is important to study and analyze educational data, especially student performance. Educational data mining, or EDM, is the field of study concerned with the mining educational data to find out interesting patterns and knowledge in educational organizations. This study is equally concerned with this subject, specifically the students' performance. This study explores multiple factors theoretically assumed to affect students' performance in higher education and finds a qualitative model which best classifies and predicts the students' performance based on related personal and social factors. In my opinion, the overall contents of this abstract go directly to the topic discussed in this journal, making it easier for readers to understand this journal. Introduction. The first paragraph of this introduction is about understanding EDM, that EDM and KDD focus on mining patterns that are useful for finding educational information system. The author emphasizes that research in this field focuses on finding useful knowledge to help educational institutions. Then explain in the second paragraph that to analyze data and information, students can use student classifications or make a decision tree. The author also adds understanding of the classification referred to in the next paragraph. Okay, next is purpose. This article helps educational institutions to identify the relationship between students' personal and social factors and their academic performance. With this new knowledge, both students and educational institutions can improve the quality of their educational to be better by identifying pure performance last semester. Okay, next is methodology. The method used is classification. In this study, the classification method is used to confirm and verify the results with several classifications. Next is discussion. The main discussion, the authors divide into three subtopics, namely dataset, data exploration, data mining implementation, and result. First is dataset, collected through surveys distributed to different students in daily classes. The initial size of the dataset is 270 records. In the dataset table, there are attributes, description, and possible values. All data in the available explanation column in the article are directly below it. The second is data exploration. At this stage, data exploration is very important in data mining because researchers and readers can understand data. Table 2 shows the rank of data in the dataset according to its attributes, from highest to lowest, while Table 3 includes summary statistics about the dataset, including modes, the list, and the number of missing. And the third is data mining, implementation, and result. At this stage is mentioned about the classification techniques available in data mining, such as decision trees, k-nearest neighbor, neural networks, native Bayes, etc. This study uses several classification techniques in the data mining process to predict student grades at the end of the semester. The author is very detailed in explaining one by one the classification techniques and provides an overview in the form of graphs and tables so that readers easily understand the contents of these techniques. The author also summarizes the explanation of the table with the description so that following results are obtained. Okay, now the conclusion. The conclusion of the research is to conduct a survey to collect students' personal and social data. The data obtained are then processed and explored, and finally the implementation of the data meaning task is presented in a dataset to produce a classification mode and test it. Finally, found interesting results, namely the naive Bayes model. Okay, I will give excellent. In my opinion, the advantages of this article are the topics that are explained in great detail. There are tables and graphs as well as description of both so that readers easily understand them. But for the record is the language used is too complicated. In my opinion, it would be better if given an explanation that is easy to understand. Tables and graphs are very helpful. Okay, that's all about my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.